Hi, in the previous video we learned about variable names. Now here we will learn about how to assign multiple variable in a in a variable. Wait, multiple values, sorry. Okay, so in the previous video you have learned x is equal to 5 like this. Okay, so now we will assign a multiple values. So for this, let's take x comma y comma z. Okay, and now I'm assigning via equal sign, and then let's suppose orange. Okay, then comma banana, my favorite food, and then comma cherry. Okay, and now I can print it. Print x print x, print y, and print z. If I'll run this, you can see it is showing me the same output. X is assigned to orange, y is assigned to banana, and z is assigned to cherry. Means this code is working. And you should note one thing, that the number of variable matches the number of values. Otherwise you will get an error. If you are assigning a three variables, then the three values should be there. You can't put four values in three variables. Okay, so just note it down. Okay, and even you can try one value to multiple variables. Yes, it is possible. You can assign a same value to a multiple variable in just one line. How to do this? Let me comment this again. One value to multiple variable, like x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to, just say, Sharad. So what will happen if you will print x, if you will print y, and if you will print z. Wait, print z. Let me compile this. Look, you got the same name as a multiple variable. Okay, x is equal to y is equal to z is Sharad. Now we printed x, we printed y, we printed z separately, and we got the same name. Okay, and even if you have a collection of value in a list or a tuple or a dictionary, I will tell you all these terms one by one in the upcoming chapter. But now I am showing you an example so that you could understand. Don't go dive deep into it. I will tell you everything. Here just suppose I will write what about a collection of values. Okay, ABOUNT, ABOUT. Okay, so if you have a collection of values like list or tuple or dictionary, whatever it is, then Python easily allows you to extract the value into the variable, and this is called basically the unpacking. Okay, unpacking. Like just suppose I'll write here fruits, fruits. Okay, and here I'm taking a list. For list, I'll have to take a square bracket. Okay, and here just suppose I'll write apple, then comma. I can separate the two different value by comma. Now here I'm writing banana, and then again a separation by comma, and then here I'm writing cherry. Okay, and means I have assigned apple, banana, cherry in one variable, so called fruits, via the list. List is denoted by the square brackets. Okay, now I'll write x comma y comma z. Three variable here I am taking is equal to fruits. So what will happen, the values of fruits will go separately to x, y, z. And now if I'll print x, y, z, then it will show me the value of apple, banana, cherry in separate form. Okay, like print x, print y, and print z. If I'll run this, look, it is showing me separately apple, banana, cherry. Why it is taking this? Because we are reversing this now. There are three variables. Okay, so now Python allows me to extract the value into the variable. X is now apple, Y is now banana, and Z is now cherry. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. You can unpack the collection of value if you will give the value in a list to a variable. Okay, you will learn more about this unpacking in the upcoming video, where I'll tell you about how to unpack the tuples. Okay, I will tell you one by one, step by step. This is just an example. Okay, so that's all for this section. I will tell you another topic, how to output the variable, in the next video. Okay, so till then, bye bye.